We're going to set our peas aside, and we're going to go to the Instant Pot now and set it for saute high heat. And we're going to saute 12 ounces of chopped up bacon right in the Instant Pot. Now once the bacon is fully cooked, we want to drain that excess grease. In go the chopped onions. In go the black-eyed peas. Now we want to give that a good stir. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Now we're going to lock that lid in place, leaving the pressure valve in the closed position. Using the manual setting, we want to set it for 30 minutes. Well, looky there, folks. Man, that is good. I can taste the bacon, the onions in there, and it's not greasy, and it's not real salty. Happy with that one. Well, we really enjoyed these black-eyed peas with a big old hunk of cornbread and some cooked spinach. Thanks for watching.